In this video, we're going to talk about what ROV sounds like. In the first part, we're going to record it with this NTG3 mic just to see what the audible noise is from it at different speeds. Then we're going to put an actual shotgun mic on with an iPhone, see what it sounds like, then a shotgun mic on this A6300, see what that sounds like. So let's start with the basic noise. So this is slow speed. Honestly, you can't really hear anything. I'll be quiet for a second and let the mic pick it up. Okay, I'll stop it. You'll notice that as ROV calibrates, it moves from end to end really quickly. So the faster that ROV goes, the more noise it will emit. But at those speeds, it's really intended to be used for slow motion when you don't record audio. So let's go to medium and you'll hear the calibration noise. And then here's medium speed. You can hear a little bit more noise, but I doubt your camera mic would even pick it up. If it does, you can use a shotgun mic to help fix that issue. And here is fast speed. Again, a little bit more noise. If you're really conscious about audio, again, you could use a shotgun mic. For our next test, we're going to talk about what your video clip actually sounds like when you're recording with the ROV mic on. And one thing to note is that there are two different cables included with your ROV mic. One has a gray end on one side, the other one has two black ends. The two black ends is for a small camera. The one with a gray end is meant to be plugged in directly to your phone or to the dongle if your phone has a lightning port. That's something to note. Now, when you actually plug this into the app, you'll get a microphone gain bar and just lets you know if you're peaking or not. So let's go to slow and see what this sounds like. Again, it's quiet. You're probably not going to be able to hear anything. All right, and here is medium speed. And finally, here is fast speed. Now we have the A6300 on ROV and I'm controlling it with the ROV Motion app. I'm going to start with the max duration, which is 28 seconds. I'm going to keep the ramp set to 50% for all of these noise tests. Let's press start. This is roughly equivalent to your slow speed when you're using your phone to record. Next up, we're going to change the duration to 20 seconds, which moves it a little bit faster. Let's see what that sounds like. All right, we're going to bump it down to 10 seconds. It'll move it even faster. Here's where you start getting some audible noise. These speeds really, though, are intended for slow motion when you're not going to be using the audio. And our max speed is 8 seconds, so just slightly faster than before. All right, I hope these videos were helpful for you to see what ROV should sound like. When you're doing slow and medium speeds, it's nearly silent. It's only when you get to those faster speeds that you actually hear it, and it might affect your audio. If you are seeing that your audio is picking up the motor noise from ROV, you can use the ROV mic. It's a shotgun mic, and it's gonna pick up the audio away from the unit. If you have any questions at all, please reach out to support@rhinocg.com. Thanks.